Stories built on records and documents are stronger, more compelling, and more likely to make an impact. As an investigative reporter, every time I hear a tip that might make a good news story, I ask the question, where are the records to prove it? There should be a paper trail. We humans are followed by documents. You begin with a birth certificate that includes the time you were born, the hospital, and the names of your parents. When you die, a death certificate indicates where you were buried. Your life generates an entire trail of documents in between. To find records, I start with people, experts on the topic or sources close to the story. As insiders, they likely know about documents and databases I wouldn't. I also review past news stories. Typically, they refer to events that have generated some kind of useful record, like meeting minutes or court documents. If you know a record exists and is public, but is not easily accessible, you may have to file a formal public records request. Most reporters know about the Federal Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA. It's a law designed to allow access to federal agency records. Learn your rights under FOIA at foia.gov. Reporters can also file public records requests at the state level. Private documents may also help your story. You can ask your sources for permission to review them. For example, if you're investigating a health story, ask your source to provide her own medical records. All of my investigations rely at some level on documents, public and private. I've written stories on vulnerable children who died under state watch and on the growing number of suicides in local jails. Both made heavy use of state records I only received after I pushed for them. The next time you get a story idea, follow the document trail to prove it.